Hello friends, welcome back to Ftopreview.com. In this video we are learning how to change a photo color in Photoshop to black and white or grayscale mode. Okay, just click open and wait it for the pop-up window. My system and little lag because my Windows update is working under. We are just opening this picture. Okay, here you can see this is a color picture. A man holding a mobile phone to pocket. It's a color picture. So just black and white this picture. It's very simple. Go to image, then go to adjustment. Then you can see here the black and white. Okay, the keyboard shortcut is Alt Shift Control B. Just click here. Now you can see our picture will go to black and white. Just click OK. Then you can simply save from here, save as to PNG. Just click here. Click OK. Now we are successfully saved that image to black and white. Okay. Here is the picture. It's a black and white one. So in this way, you can easily black and white any picture with this trick. It's a simple one. And also you can use keyboard shortcut, and keyboard shortcut is simply press Alt Shift Control B on latest Photoshops. Okay. Okay guys, that's it. It's very simple tutorial. If you need more tutorial like this, please comment below. And if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post your replies as videos so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.